Morning, plumbers. Good morning, Chuck.
Good morning.
Who are you texting?
Supply house.
Supply house. Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons, right here, CB2, the plumbing trade. Going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. Today's plumbing adventure is we got to use radiator. We're going to put it in a job, but the first thing we got to do is we got to test it with air. Stay tuned and we'll see you inside. There it is. Here's our baby. We got to put an air test on this radiator. Take out the spuds. On both sides. Anywhere close, CB. Perfect. I might use my new tool today, Chuck.
Yeah, what one?
We got a 1/2 inch spud here. Oh, it feels like the spuds are broken inside. We're going to try and take this out with a spud wrench. And it's broken. Is it broken or is it? Nah, this actually doesn't fit. Usually, Chucky, this would go in.
Yeah.
There's 2 notches on the inside, which I don't even see. Oh, they're in there. That would lock onto this, and then you just turn this whole thing right out with a pipe wrench on this. Obviously, this is not going to work. Here we go, Charles. Since we can't do it this way, we're going to break out the tool now. So I'm going to have to cut this nut off because I can't get a pipe wrench in there. So I'm going to cut the nut off and then turn this out with a pipe wrench. And it's brass, so it should cut pretty easy. This cuts wood and metal this blade. We'll see. Chuck B.
Yeah.
Here's what I want you to do. I want you to hold this joker real tight, like that. Turn it. Hold it for me, alright? Now normally we'd have to cut this with a cheese saw, mini hacksaw, but look at that. Now normally this would be a total wrestling match. But now with that new tool, it's a dream. Guess what, Chucky?
Yeah.
I didn't even break my knuckles on this one. Thank you, Milwaukee. Pipe wrench. So we're going to put an air test on this. There's my Knuckle Buster that I thought I wasn't going to get, and I got it. I should heat it up, but I'm not going to. Got it. Hold the rag. Alright, Charles. One side complete. We'll put a 1/2 inch plug in that.
Turn it or you just.
Yeah, I'll just switch sides. Grab me a 1/2 inch plug. I mean, you could do this in a junkyard, but we seem to think it's pretty good. Tighten that up, and pipe wrench. Just go with a pipe wrench. You ain't gotta kill yourself either. Just. All right. What's this for? The Christmas party. Very good, Charles. CB's first radiator test. I don't think I've even done one. Oh, this might be a 1/2 inch. Look at that.
I saw that. I was gonna show you that.
It's actually twisted.
Yeah,
Someone.
that's why I looked at it for a minute. I was like,
It's twisted off. Oh, you know what? Maybe this broke off, the 1/2 inch one.
why? Do you just
That's
remember it
good.
breaking?
They do break.
Well,
That's good, Chuck. Don't kill yourself. All right, let's switch sides. All right, let's switch sides. What's that? And again, I'll get the shot. If you can see inside there's two spuds, two little levers that the spud wrench would catch on, and you could twist this out with a pipe wrench. My spud wrench is broken, of course, but I'm sure you guys out there have a good one on your truck. Of course you do. Push it out toward me. You see where I'm trying to cut, right?
yeah.
Push it out. There you keep it pulled to the top, out to here and square. Push it up. Come on. There you go. Ready to go. using my Husky wrench. Ah, look at that, Charles. Now we got to set up the air gauge. Okay.
What that shelf back here?
Yeah, 1/2 inch pipe, 2x4, Chuck.
You want
Right here. Give me this piece of wood.
Oh, okay.
Piece of wood right here. I just want to lift this up so we can turn a gauge in without killing ourselves.
Okay, in here.
That piece right there for chop saw. There you go. Come on. Now, flat, long ways with the radiator. How about it? Put that nip on gauge in there. Here's our razor. Look. Now you can turn it without hitting the ground. Scrap pile. Good. Oh, all right, one more time. I want to face it straight up.
Oh, yeah.
This radiator is going to a special job. Perfect. All right, compressor. What are you looking for?
Of course. Where's it full?
Oh, actually, it's full. We just got lucky. Give me 15 psi.
Yeah.
Cross your fingers, everybody. Good, 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 good.
It's at 15.
Oh, is that a 15-pound gauge?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'm
It's
sorry.
at 10, so
What's it say?
it's at 10. You want 15 still?
Yeah, give me 15. I'm sorry. You're good. I don't hear nothing leaking, but now what we do, we let it sit, and we spray it with bubbles. Spray her down. You want to spray between the sections? This is actually a 3-part radiator. End section, one section, section, end section. This is actually a 3-part rad. Usually big rads come nipples every section, but this is actually a 3-parter. It has 2 ends and 2 middle sections. So you want to spray the joints, of course the ends. Spray these seams too. Here too. Oh no no. Oh they won't have water there. Down here, I'm sorry. You're right. I like this. Is a nice radiator, man. And where's our aerator? Our bleeder? A new bleeder. What do you think, CB? I think We'll let it sit for a minute. I think she's holding. The gauge is holding strong. Been holding for 15 minutes. I'm going to take the pressure off. Call it a day here and deliver this beauty to the job. Alright, this radiator is good. We're going to take the air off and call it a day and go drop her off to our new home. And again, I'd like to special thanks to Mr. J.C. Jenkins. Alright, let's load her up. I don't have a power washer. Oh, I do. I'm not setting it up though. Let's give it a bath. You could get it sandblasted and then the customer can paint it to their specific color. Any of you guys out there, what would you do in this case? Do you put radiator valves back on, or do you just go ahead and put one ball valve and pipe it in solid? It's a decision I got to make, and I think the home is going to dictate what I do. So we'll see when we make the delivery. The radiator has been adopted and delivered to its new home. Tomorrow, we pipe it. And with that, we will see you at the next one.